Enhance your presentations and classroom experiences with the best interactive smartboards available. These advanced digital tools offer intuitive touchscreens, vibrant displays, and seamless connectivity, making collaboration effortless. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best interactive smartboards you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Eunivon EV7S interactive whiteboard ranks as the 5th best interactive smartboard, offering a multifunctional Android-based system tailored for professional use in offices, meeting rooms, classrooms, or even at home. This versatile electronic whiteboard caters to various needs, whether for presenting or annotating content. With the ability to screencast from Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android devices or connect via HDMI, the EV7S ensures seamless presentations. Users can annotate directly on the board, share through video conferencing, and pin screenshots on its 4K ultra high-definition screen. This interactive whiteboard supports a robust app ecosystem, allowing users to select applications that best fit their organizational requirements, enhancing both work and educational experiences. Security and IT management are also prioritized with the EV7S. Its operating system offers high-level security features, while the fleet management system enables IT administrators to manage information efficiently and securely. The board's integration of hardware and software is impressive, featuring Android 11, a Cortex-A55 quad-core CPU, and 4 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Available in 55, 65, 75, and 86-inch sizes, the Eunivon EV7S starts at $2089. The Hisense interactive digital board, ranked number 4 among interactive smartboards, offers exceptional performance and value. It seamlessly combines the functions of a digital display, tablet, electronic whiteboard, and video conferencing device into one all-encompassing solution. Its 4K Ultra HD quality ensures stunning visuals with perfect color and rich detail, ideal for any environment from offices to restaurants. One of its standout features is the ability to wirelessly connect with multiple auxiliary screens using NFC and ANC screen transmission. This makes collaborative interactions simple and engaging, with the touchscreen recognizing up to 20 simultaneous touches, perfect for team meetings. Intuitive controls allow users to switch tasks, annotate content, and make handwritten notes effortlessly. The board is powered by an octa-core processor and boasts 3 + 32 GB of memory, ensuring smooth and fast performance. Its heat-treated tempered glass provides durability, while anti-glare technology and a blue light filter enhance viewing comfort. The built-in whiteboard app supports easy writing and drawing with touch or stylus, and the open Android 8.0 platform allows for the installation of various applications. Available in 65, 75, and 86-inch sizes, the Hisense interactive digital board starts at $2440. The Samsung Interactive Display WAD series, ranked as the 3rd best interactive smartboard, transforms educational environments with limitless learning possibilities. Priced starting at $2720, these displays are powered by Android OS, offering a familiar and intuitive user experience with access to Google Play apps like YouTube and Chrome. The WAD series supports multitasking with split screen and multi-window modes, enhancing teaching efficiency. Screen mirroring for up to 9 devices fosters student engagement, allowing content sharing across iOS, Mac, Windows, Android, or Chrome OS devices. Its advanced multi-touch capability supports up to 40 simultaneous touchpoints, enabling collaborative learning. Featuring dual pen functionality, users can switch between colors without altering settings. Connectivity is seamless with a 3-in-1 USB-C port for screen mirroring, touch control, and device charging. The HDMI out function ensures content is visible to all students, regardless of their position in the classroom. For enhanced user experience, the OPS slot transforms the display into a Windows device. The WAD series also includes advanced device management solutions and messaging features, ensuring operational efficiency and real-time communication. Available in 65, 75, and 86-inch sizes. The Vibe S1 smartboard stands out as the second-best interactive smartboard on the market, offering an exceptional combination of advanced hardware and seamless remote collaboration. This innovative tool features a 4K UHD touchscreen, 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM, all powered by the integrated Chromium OS, ensuring a powerful and smooth user experience. Ideal for modern work environments, the Vibe S1 allows real-time content saving with the Vibe Canvas, enabling brainstorming and collaboration with remote teams from any device, anywhere. Users can wirelessly project content from other devices or connect via HDMI, making it easy to present and annotate images or documents for enhanced idea illustration. The robust app ecosystem is another highlight, with seamless integration of over 100 leading productivity apps such as Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, Google Suite, Microsoft 365, Miro, and Slack. These apps are accessible through the Vibe Store, Google Play, and Chrome Web Store, enhancing productivity and connectivity. With advanced security features and IT management capabilities, including enterprise-level security and fleet management, the Vibe S1 ensures secure user and device management. Available in 55 and 75-inch sizes, the Vibe S1 smartboard starts at $31.99 US. The Samsung Flip 2 WM55R is the premier interactive smartboard designed to transform the way ideas are shared and developed. It offers a pen-to-paper-like writing experience with versatile pen options in various colors, styles, and widths. Erasing or editing is as simple as using a finger or palm swipe, enhancing intuitive interaction. Collaboration is a key feature with multi-touch capabilities allowing up to 20 touches simultaneously, perfect for group work and productive meetings. The Samsung interactive display is also highly versatile in connectivity, featuring USB, HDMI, DP, NFC, and OPS slots, along with screen sharing capabilities for seamless integration with multiple devices. The user interface is designed for ease of use, suitable for all ages, with a simple navigation menu and quick finder tool for easy content management. A built-in document viewer supports a variety of file types including Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Adobe PDF, improving engagement and accessibility. Additionally, a wide array of templates and tools are available, such as timetables and strategy boards, enhancing collaborative efforts. After meetings, distributing notes is effortless, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. The Samsung Flip 2, available in 55, 65, and 85-inch models, starts at $20.83 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.